Okay, this is Paul Bowerman of Bowerman 939 of the Brigham Tea Company. This is how my family, prepared dandelions for generations. We would first harvest the dandelions out of the yards, then we would put a little bit of olive oil on it. I'd already added some olive oil, so it was it's plenty. Then some garlic powder. Then that was onion powder. Now some garlic powder. I don't know if you can see down in there, there's an egg. We always boil an egg. Lately I've been using pickled eggs, and pickled eggs really are nice in it. And you add all your seasonings that you want first, and then before you eat it, including salt. Then the last thing you add is, I used to use red wine vinegar, but now I've been using this rice vinegar seasoned. I like it a lot better. And you put it on last to kind of sprinkle it all over everything. Then you stir that all up. And there's always some down the bottom. Now I have some pickled ginger that's in there. And I have an egg. Sometimes I'll put some onion in there. I'm going to slice the egg, because that's how my family always did it. I have a little knife here. And I just take the egg and slice it up, put it in there. Okay, and then we usually fix a piece of toast with it so that we can daub up. This is homemade sourdough, and this is how we eat it. We take a big old chunk of dandelion, which is, you'll see right here. See how we've cut the root off. We've cut the root off real close to the base of the dandelion, and it's juicy, it's yummy. You kind of have to get a taste. There's a little bit of bitter to it. Oh my, Very good. You get to where you crave it every year. Anyhow, this is Paul Bowerman of Bowerman 939 of the Brigham Tea Company. Thanks for watching.